Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Ramon Escalera with PaidDailyLife.com. If you have someone today, I want to share how to speak to someone in a different language. For those of you who do not know or don't know how to do so, if you know someone that speaks a different language and doesn't necessarily speak the same language you speak, you can actually write or speak to them in any way. Let me put this down. You can speak to them by using Google Translate. Okay. This is English. This is Spanish. So say you have a Spanish speaking person that can only read in Spanish and speak in Spanish. What I would do is you open two of these Google pages. You can open one and then you're going to open another one. Boom. Here's the other one. Okay. So you have two Google Translate pages open. The reason is you're going to put whenever they write back to you, you're going to put whatever it is they wrote here, and then you're going to translate in English. That way you can read. This is the reading. This is the writing page. This is the reading page. It's that simple. So let's say you want to tell someone about soap. Say, hello, hello, Mike. Soap is the best opportunity ever known to mankind. It's typing it in Spanish. So except the hello, I put too many L's. So let's fix that. Okay. Hola, Mike. SOP es la mejor oportunidad que ha conocido la humanidad, which means SOP is the best opportunity ever known to mankind. Simple as that. So what you do is you click here to select all. You copy and say you're on. Let's say you're chatting with someone like Pablo. Pablo, you paste. See, something like that. See how it types it in Spanish, and then when he writes back, say he wrote back in Spanish, and he said, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this here. So, say he writes back in Spanish, and he says, let me just put something else. Hey, how is it going, buddy? Just trying to make it work. Could use your help. All right, let's just say he put this here, right? Say, let's just say Pablo wrote this in Spanish to me. What I'm going to do is go to the second Google Translate page, paste it here in Spanish, and then it's going to type it in English here. Sounds like good friend, just trying to make it work. Could use your help either. Well, I mean, you understood what he wrote. If you don't speak a lick of Spanish or English, whatever language it is, at least you know you can understand what he wrote. Sounds like going friend, just trying to make it work. Could use your help either. Well, obviously there's a few words that might not work so great, but as you can see here, it's legible and you can understand it. So you can keep communication with anyone and everyone that's in a different country, different language. I've spoken to people from Turkey. I've spoken to people from India that speak only Indonesian. I spoke to people that speak in Russian. I mean, you can do any type of language on here. It is amazing. Again, so say you wanted to speak someone in Russia. You just click here, this arrow. It'll bring up this page, and you click on Russian right here, Russian. And then you want it. Oh, excuse me, I did it the wrong way. This is the one you want, Russian, and then English. Okay, check it out. Hello, my friend. FRIEND. How is everything going? I'm doing great. Would love to get on a video chat for some extra training soon. Boom. There you go. Now it's in Russia. Copy it. Okay, now you got it copied. You go back, say if they wrote this to you. You want to paste it here. and look, it's gonna translate it in English. Hold on. Okay, sorry. It's not a detector. I gotta put Russian here. My apologies. Here we go. Now it's in English here. Hello, my friend. How it all happens. I'm doing great. I would love to get on a video chat for some extra training in the near future. Boom. Simple as that. Now you're communicating with someone that doesn't speak the same language as you. This is how I speak to people that do not speak the same language as me. So again, folks, just open two tabs, both Google Translate. One of them you're going to use to type out, and then whatever they type something to you, you click on the next Google tab and you just type in whatever it is that they're saying, and that way you can read it and write it. It's going to take a little extra time, not at all. Again, it's all copy and paste. So hope this training helps. If anyone needs any additional training, let me know. If you have someone or know someone that lives in a different country and the phone number that they sent you, you cannot reach. Like you want to actually send text to each other, or you want to send a text to them. They cannot send it to you because because this is only a one-way text website that I found. Okay, let me find it. Let's see where it is. Where did I do with it? I give this out for free. This one here I found, and I give it to people who sign up for my newsletter. And again, you can use it to send text out worldwide. So, where did I do it? You know what? I think it's on my website. Let me see here. Where am I? Oh, I'll tell you, my website. I must have a lot of bandwidth on my website because it's slow to load up. I think it's because of all the blogs that I've been doing lately. Anyways, it's over here somewhere. Where is it? Send XMS, worldwide XMS. Where is it? Ah, here it is, right here. You click on that. Wow, fantastic. Free voice recorder with just one click, auto playback, no more borrowing dial-in numbers, all for free. Would you like more freebies and tools training? Build your website or business. Click here. I haven't. You see, that's what I did. So what happens is once they fill this out, what happens once they fill that out, I send them. Once they fill it out, they sign up for my sort business, my autoresponder, and then I'll send them the link. Automatically goes to them into their email. Okay, let's see here. Here it is. Here's the free text messages all over the world. Blah blah blah. You have to fill out the form. So let's just do it for the fun of it. Joe Smo. Let me use my email. Gmail.com. Thanks. Hit submit. Boom. Here it is right here. Free text messages all over the world. The actual website is www.afreesms.com/free-sms/. Okay. Now here it is here. So say you wanted to send a text out to someone that's in, let's say, India. You go to the country. Yeah, you can type it in, but I'm doing it the slow way. Okay, let's say India. Boom, you see, you hit India, the plus 91 sign already comes up, and then you would just add the number here. As soon as it lets me. 876 755, just making that up. I don't know if that's even actually someone's number, but then you type it in. Like you want to send a message out to them, but you want to send it in their language. So you were Indonesian, so you will go to Google Translate, and you want it in Indonesia, the language. Okay, so you say, hello, my friend. SOAP is an amazing business. You can potentially make tens of thousands by simply helping, and teaching others to use our program. Okay, so here we go. And then you just select all, copy it, you go to the text, and then you paste it. Control V. It might be too long. As you can see here, you only have a certain amount of characters, so I'm just gonna erase some of it because once you put the message in, obviously it's Indonesian. That's the number of the person that filled it out. That's in another world, another country. They got their the country they live in, their phone number. The message is now in their language, so they can read it as soon as they get the text. And then you're gonna put your code, the code here, RALIKE, and then you hit send. Oh, I forgot I spelled it wrong. RAYLIKE, and then you hit send. Obviously, it's not going to send it because that number is not legit. As you can see here, invalid mobile number. But once it's done, you hit send, it's done. They're not going to be able to send you a message back. They're just going to get it. So whatever you send them, make sure you send them something where they're going to be able to click on your link. They're going to be able to go to your business. They're going to be able to go to something that you're offering, because you cannot. They cannot reply, because if they reply, it's going to go nowhere. The number that we're sending it is obviously a computer number. It's not a real number. So that being said, there's some tips and tricks I figured I'd teach you this Thursday morning. Yep, Thursday. It is 9:21 a.m. Eastern Time. If you need any more help on anything else, please let me know. If I have the solution, I will give it to you. If I do not know if I cannot help you, I would ask that you ask someone inside the group. But I figured, why not do this training this morning? I've been using this for a while, and it works for me. So thank you for watching. Again, Ramon Escalera, paydailylife.com. Have yourself a wonderful Thursday morning. Bye-bye.